Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Creation Unlimited with Sunita. I am not able to upload big videos, but I made many short videos on different mediums like watercolor, acrylic, ink and many more. You can check out the videos. Today I am going to make 3 DIYs, 2 wall hanging and a planter. For the first DIY, I am using homemade air dry clay. How to make this clay is shown in my last video. Link is in description box. A rectangle box or sweet box and some real leaves of different shapes and sizes. Spread the clay and roll it using rolling pin. Spread it to the size of the sweet box. Check the arrangement of the leaf and place the leaf accordingly. Cut a trace paper in rectangle shape and place it on the leaf. Cut the excess part with a knife. The paper should be of same measurement as the box. Here I am using a glue gun stick to get detailed impression of the veins. Follow the same for the other leaves also. Now I am going to place this clay to the box and ensure that there is no gap by pressing the edges. To make plaster of Paris paste, mix 1 cup of water with 2 cup of POP. First take water in a bowl and mix POP little by little. Let it dissolve properly. Stirring it continuously make it a smooth paste without any lumps. Pour the paste to the box. Tap the box to remove all the air bubbles. Insert a U-pin to the center if you want to hang this craft on the wall. Leave this to dry for 2 hours. After 2 hours, our craft is ready to take out from the box. Remove the clay. Even though POP took the shape of the box, still it is wet. Let it dry for 1 day. Till that time, I am going to make one more impression in circular shape. With same procedure. This time I am using Christmas tree leaf and some dry flowers. As you can see, I am using different type of material. You can also follow the same with any shape and size of the leaf or with dry leaves or stems. This is just an idea. You can do as per your choice. After taking the impression, cut the excess part. Now in a circular bowl, I will place the clay and then pour POP with same ratio 1:2. 1 cup of water with 2 cup of POP. Tap it properly. Insert a U-pin. After 2 hours, this craft is set. Let this both dry for at least 24 hours. Meanwhile, it is drying. Let's make one more DIY, a planter with white cement. Mix white cement with water in same ratio 2:1. 2 cup of white cement with 1 cup of water. The ratio should be same, but you can increase or decrease the quantity according to the size of the planter. Here I am making small planter, that's why I am using 6 cup of white cement with 3 cup of water. After mixing the cement, take some real leaf for impression, a twinkle box or any round shaped cardboard for this process, and a plastic container. I don't want this much height of the planter as of twinkle box, so I will cut it and insert the upper part to the lower part. This is an optional process. I am doing this to make the cardboard more stronger. Insert the leaf in this way. Cut the extra part. I am using the stick part of the leaf also in 2 sides. Secure the edges with cello tape. Pour the cement little by little and rotate the container in this way. This will help in getting detailed impression of the leaf. Place the Pringle box with some heavy material in the center and finally pour all the cement paste. After drying for 24 hours, remove the planter from the plastic container. Use a sandpaper to smooth the rough edges. Color it with using acrylic black color. As it is cement, it will absorb more color. To retain white color, I am using dry brush. Finally, using some golden color in the top part, our planter is ready. You can use it as an indoor planter or you can use it as a vase or pen pencil stand. You can use this in many ways. I decorated this planter with some other planter in this way. For the first and second DIY, in the same way I colored with dry brush. For rectangle one I use yellow, green and golden color, and for the circle one I use red and golden color. I hope you like the video. You can either hang the craft or you can just place them in a shelf in this way. If you like the video, do hit the like button. Do subscribe to our channel. If you have some queries regarding the video, do comment. Thank you for watching.